Before we start our class, Jennifer, can you lead the prayer?
Okay, please stand up, please classmates. Bow down your head and close your eyes and let us pray.
Amen. Amen. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Okay, how are you today?
We're fine, Ma'am.
Okay, now before you take your seat, please pick up some pieces of paper and arrange your chairs. Okay, at this moment, we're going to check your attendance. Who is absent for today, class?
None, Ma'am.
Okay, very good. You have perfect attendance today. Now, before we start our discussion, I have a classroom agreement first. So what are you going to do if your teacher is talking in front? Okay, Jennifer?
Listen attentively, Ma'am.
Very good. How about if I have a question and you want to answer? Eva?
Raise your right.
Exactly. What about when there is an activity? What are we going to do? Salsa?
Cooperate.
Okay, very good. Now, please read our classroom agreement again. Algie.
Classroom agreements are listen attentively, raise your hand, and cooperate.
Okay, very good. Okay, now before we proceed, let's have an activity first. Count 1 to 2. Start here.
1, 2,
1,
2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Group 1, please stay here, and group 2, please stay.
Proceed.
Okay, now in this group activity, I have here a flashcard contains questions, and you have to answer here it but with your group. I will give you an illustration board, and you just write your answers here. Okay, just raise your illustration board when you want to answer. So, the first group who raised their illustration board will be given points. Okay, let's start. Do you have any clarification?
None, Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
64, ma'am.
64.
Okay.
Tayo. Dali lang, naman.
56, ma'am.
O, madami.
Okay, group 1. 54, ma'am. Okay, group 1 get the correct answer. Next. 42, ma'am. 42. Okay, group 1 get the correct answer again. 63, ma'am.
Mana, ma'am?
63, ma'am.
Unami. Nara, 63.
Okay, the group 1 get the correct answer. Last one. 72, ma'am. 72. Okay, the winner is group 1. So let's give a nice clap to group 1.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Okay, now based from our activity, what do you think will be our topic for today? Syra?
I think, ma'am, our topic for today is all about multiplication with regrouping.
Okay, exactly. Our topic for today is all about multiplication with whole numbers with regrouping. Okay, multiplication. Please read. Algeline.
Multiplication is called repeated addition since adding the same number repeatedly may be expressed
multiplication instead.
Okay. So multiplication is called repeated addition since adding the same number repeatedly may be expressed as multiplication instead. So here are the examples. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 7 groups of 4 or 7 times 4 in multiplication. So the answer is 7 times 4 is okay, 28. Number 2 is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 8 groups of 3 or 3 times 8 is equal to 24. Okay. So 8 plus 8, number 3 is 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 5 groups of 8 or 5 times 8 is equals to
40.
40. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to in multiplying 3-digit numbers by a 2-digit multiplier with 3 grouping. So please read. Please read, Jennifer.
In multiplying 3-digit numbers by a 2-digit multiplier with regrouping. First, multiply the ones of the multiplier by the multiplicand and then by the tens to get the partial product. Regroup whenever necessary. Then add the partial products to get the final product. Example, 208 times 54. So the multiplicand is 208 and the multiplier is 54. So first times the right digit 2. 8 times 4 equals 32. So bring down 2, regroup 3. 4 times 0 equals 0 and naman siya yung regroup of 3, so bring down 3. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then next, the next digit. So 5 times 8 equals 40. So bring down 0, regroup 4. 5 times 0 equals 0. Naman siya yung regroup 4, so bring down 4. Then 5 times 2 equals 10. So 832 plus 1040 equals 11,232, the product.
Okay, very good. Now, where is the multiplicand again, Syra?
The multiplicand is 208.
Okay. So, what about the multiplier? Salsa?
The multiplier is the
Okay. So, again, so 4 times 8 is equal to?
32.
Okay, 32. Then we are going to regroup the 3 above the
0.
which is the tens place. So, 0 times 4?
4.
0. Okay, so bring down 3. So 4 times 2?
8.
Okay. And then 5 times 8?
40.
0 times 5?
0.
So bring down 4. So 5 times 2?
10.
Okay, then we're going to put 10 in there. So 832 plus 1040. So 2 are going to bring down 2. 3 plus 0.
3.
8 plus 4.
12.
Group 1. So 1 plus 0.
1.
So bring down 1. Okay, now, do you understand why multiplication is called repeated addition class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's proceed to, let's have another activity. So the same group earlier, each group will given a word problem and you are going to solve it with your group. And then after you solve it, you're going to explain your answers. So I will give you 3 minutes to finish your work. So this will be the group 1. Two minutes left. Group 1, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, proceed in front and explain your answer.
So, this is the group 1. So, the problem of group 1 is Honey may bought 275 boxes of toys from China. Each box contains 98 toys. How many toys did Honey May bring from China? So the given number are 275 times 98. So 275 times 98 equals 26,950.
Okay. Now let's proceed to the group 2.
Leo has 76 boxes of marbles. If each box contains 896 marbles, how many marbles does Leo have?
Okay. The boxes are 68,096. The answer.
Leo has.
Okay, now let's give everyone a barangay clap. Now let me see if you are really listening. So I will call someone to solve the problems on the board. Okay, number 1, Jennifer, please answer. Number 2, Saira. Number 3, Tanay. Balik lang natin. Okay, now let's check. Number 1, 283 times 78 is equals to, so the product is 22,074, so correct. Number 2, 843 times 12 is equals to 10,016, so correct. Number 3, 892 times 65. So the product is 56,986. So correct.
57 na answer.
Okay. Now let's have an activity again. So the same group, I will give you an solving problem. So this will be the group 1. will give you 5 minutes to finish your task. Okay, group 1, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, explain your answer in front.
So, this is the work of group 1. Multiplication real life problems. Number 1. DJ bought 175 boxes of toys from China. Each box of toys has 12 toys. How many toys did DJ bring from China? So, the given number are 175 times 12 equals 2,100. Because 5 times 2 equals 0. 10. Stop. Then number 2, Jade gave 6 fidget spinners to each of her friends. She has 86 friends. How much fidget spinners did Jade give? So the given number are 86 times 6. So the answer is 516. Third, Simpson's parking lot contains 44 rows and 44 cars can be parked in a row. How many cars can be parked in total? So the given number are 44 times 44 equals 1,936.
Okay, very good, group 1. Let's give 5 claps for group 1. Group 2, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, explain your answer.
Number 4, multiplication real life world problems. Number 1, DJ brought 175 boxes of toys from China.
Each box of toys has 12 toys. How many toys did DJ bring from China? 175 times 12 equals 2,100. Number 2 problem. Jade gives 6 fidget spinners to each of her friends. She has 86 friends. How many fidget spinners did Jade give? 86 times 6 equals 536 fidget. Number 3. Simpson's parking lot contains 44 rows and 44 cars can be parked in a row. How many cars can be parked in total? 44 times 44, so 1,936 parked. Okay, very good, group 2. Let's give an amazing clap for group 2.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, amazing.
Okay, now what was our topic? Jennifer?
Our topic for today is all about multiplication of whole numbers with regrouping.
Okay, now let's proceed to evaluation. So, please get 1/2 sheet of paper. Please read the direction, Angeline.
Direction. Answer each item below.
Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pass your paper and pen. Okay, now for your assignment, everyone please read.
Direction. In a one-way to prepare right reflection about what we have learned in our topic today.
Are you done copying, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.